What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the TRX, the Dodge TRX truck. This thing is an absolute beast, guys. It's crazy. Right now I'm about to go photo shoot it. Wish me luck. It's freaking hot as heck today, guys. But yeah, today we are going to be shooting this beautiful black on black TRX truck. This thing is crazy. I think this truck goes in competition with the Ford Raptor R, I believe. But you guys will see a better view once I park right now and get to the top of the canyons. I'm going up to Angela's Crest. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's go shoot this freaking beast. Sheesh, this thing is an absolute beauty, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks super aggressive. All blacked out. Shit, got the TRX logo, 6.2 liter supercharged. What a beast. And it looks good in all black too. I think it looks super aggressive. It just looks fire. Look at that. Anyways, I chose this spot. It's pretty cool. We got this background back there. I'm gonna get some photos of the car and yeah, get some photos of the car. It's gonna look really nice. I feel like with this type of truck, you gotta go to a spot like this for sure. Give a quick rev for you guys. You guys can hear that. Sheesh, this thing sounds insane. And then you got like the little plaque up here. It says TRX. I like how they added a lot of Alcantara and carbon. There's Alcantara up there, carbon here. It's pretty nice. Seats are super nice as well. Harman Kardon sound system, Alcantara. It's a very nice truck. Should we get a TRX or Ford Raptor R? Alrighty guys, let's roll out. You guys hear that? This thing is insane. Gotta love this thing. I've always had a soft spot for love on trucks. I think they're pretty cool, you know? You can go off-roading. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing rips. Is that who I think it is? Nick? Sheesh. Ran into the homie Nick. What are we doing, guys? We're gonna go to 412. Finished shooting that TRX earlier. Now we're gonna go to 412. Stop by, say what's up to the homies, Joseph and all them, see what they're working on their lot. Because they always got crazy ass cars, so. Okay. I get it, it's fast.
Huh?
Sheesh, big homie Joseph.
What are you doing?
I'm dipping.
No
Where are you going?
I swear to God.
We just got here.
I'm gonna go to Calabasas, bro.
Oh shit, me too.
Rich, bro.
Big baller.
Some belly, bro.
Big baller. Clean as G80 M3. And this is crazy, guys. It's actually paint. That's the crazy part. Then we got a frozen white G80 M3. Super clean. They got a bunch of crazy cars on their lot, guys. They always have sick ass cars. And I think inside he said there's A12, there's a Aventador. So we're gonna go in there and check it out, see what's up with them. It's been a minute since I stopped by, met up with Nick. Nick was like, let's go to 412. I was like, you know what? I haven't seen the boys in a minute, so let's do it. Why is there water spots on the car?
It's because I parked the next time, like some sprinklers.
Bro, you don't take care of your car?
No.
Can I drive it?
No. Sorry, man.
Shit's crazy. I wonder what they're doing to it. They got the exhaust off. Guys, look at this.
But you don't like the interior.
Crazy. Gloss black with a hint of orange and then like a blue marble wrap. It's just crazy.
The steering wheel?
Oh, that's sick. Okay, this is dope. This is nice. I like that too. Carbon, got leather. Orange strip, airbag. That's sick.
You like it?
Yeah. You guys, that yours perp that I drove the other day, why didn't they do this in orange? That would have been a nice touch. It's crazy though. You got so many colors going on. Everything's like half and half. Look at the brake caliper.
Wow, crazy. This camera is so long. Look at it, bro.
Does it still turn on?
Look at the screen. Look. This shit is broken. This shit is broken.
It's time for a new one, bro.
But how long have I had this?
Just like before I met you, no? Oh no, like right when I met you, I think. G80 M3 Frozen Blue. That's very nice. Look at that. Super clean with that orange interior. Oh, it's got the bucket seats. That's hella nice. Frozen blue paint, guys. This is, yes, in a heartbeat. It's in orange too.
Orange interior, too.
So sick. Is it open?
Right.
I don't want the alarm to go off.
You know what?
Fuck.
No way it has orange interior, too. It's literally the Kevin style.
Yeah, it is. Seriously. It's exactly how I do it.
No
Matte
way.
orange with the gloss black accents and all the carbon. It's insane, dude. And we got the homie Sammy's McLaren 720S. You guys saw this before in the vlog the other day. So freaking clean. It literally looks like a spaceship. You can't even see through the windshield. We got the Ferrari here. I think this is the 812. I think that's what it's called. 812 super fast. Sick. Thing is fire. Look how many tires they have. I think I need some for the GTS. A couple dirt bikes. If you guys need any wraps, car part installs, tuning, exhaust, come through the 412. I need an Aventador. Look at that, guys. Thing looks so good in that color too. Makes you feel a certain way, Nick?
Yes.
Holy shit! Why you're here? You gotta make a vlog? Is that why?
Came to see you.
Bullshit.
Yeah, man.
How do you get this started?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Are the keys even in there?
Just let me have my moment, please. No, I'm just kidding. No, this thing is sick. Oh my gosh, dude.
Are the keys in there?
No, I don't see them.
Try to start it.
I think there's...
No.
No. Yeah, guys, honestly, I told myself I wouldn't buy another two-door car unless it was an Aventador. Like, the Huracans are cool. GT3 RSs are cool. R8s are freaking sick. It's just, I don't know, there's something about the Aventador that it's just the sound of the V12 and, you know, the whole door, the doors going up, and just the way like it looks and the sound is just insane. Yeah, guys, I'm literally sitting in one of my dream cars. As you guys know, the Aventador, Aventador S, Aventador SV, Aventador SVJ, Aventador Ultimate, any of those Aventadors are my dream cars. And of course the Urus Performante that we shot. But it's just crazy. That thing is insane. Look at the rear, guys. Look at that spoiler. The wing on it is crazy. And the little crossbar in orange too. But yeah, guys, came to see my dream car. Admire it, because I know one day I'll have this car. C63S. These things are a beast. As you guys know, we drove one. We drove the sedan version. This is the coupe version. And then we got Joseph's car. Beautiful G80 M3. Lots of carbon. Got the carbon grille upgrade. Laser headlights, carbon buckets, red interior. This is a nice color combination. Got the 50th anniversary emblems. Got a wing on there. Carbon roof. And the steering wheel. 2023, got the full screen. Got the McLaren 570S. Looks good. Look at the exhaust. Gold exhaust. Crazy. Got some bikes.
I've seen the color, Dad.
Say hi, Lulu.
Hi. The Supra. We got Sam's drift car. Super clean. Look at that. Crazy. Look at the steering. Insane. E30. There's a really nice E30 right here. Very nice. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.